So with the iPhone 15 lineup, Apple will finally move to USB-C charging standard from Lightning port after the European Union enacted a rule requiring all OEMs, including Apple, to utilize USB-C charging standard on their phones. This was a tremendous gain for customers, but not for Apple, which generates billions of dollars each year by licensing its Lightning port technology to other firms. If they go to USB-C, they will lose all of their easy money. As a result, Apple devised a solution. Apple has opted to restrict USB-C operation on the iPhone 15 lineup for cables that are not Apple approved, by putting a tiny chip within the USB-C port. It implies that if you have a Samsung cable or any other USB-C cable, it will work badly, charging and transferring data at slower rates. Apple is doing this for two reasons. One, so that you may purchase the USB-C cable directly from Apple, and second, if a third-party firm wants to create USB-C cables for iPhones, they must first join the Made for iPhone program and pay royalties to Apple. In any event, Apple profits, just like it did with its Lightning port technology. This would violate the whole purpose of needing USB-C as a worldwide connection, and we were all expecting that the EU would step in and halt this silliness before it became official in September, and that is precisely what is happening. The European Commission has addressed a letter to Apple, warning them that any effort to restrict the functioning of USB-C cables in iPhones would be forbidden under the EU's future regulation, and these phones would be barred from being sold in the EU. According to the source, Apple was informed in March by the EU Commission that devices that do not meet the requirements for the single charger will not be approved on the EU market. To be honest, I am thankful to the European Union for their efforts to keep us safe from the turmoil of proprietary cables. The difficulty is that the EU regulation requiring this does not take effect until December 28, 2024. So Apple can still place a chip on the USB-C and restrict its functionality on the iPhone 15 lineup. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.